Namaste everyone. These days the whole world is under pandemic influence and there are many people who are dying and suffering because of this. Dear friends, yes, I am talking about coronavirus. Believe me, not only patients but the entire family of patients are affected mentally, physically and financially because of this. And the worst part is there is no treatment available till date for this pandemic. And the only way to protect ourselves and our family from this havoc causing corona is to follow some simple preventive measures. You must have heard about these preventive measures in social media, news, etc. But now I am going to tell about the proper technique of these preventive measures. The first and foremost preventive measure is to wash your hands properly. Now I am going to display how to wash your hands properly. Wet hands under running water. Apply soap and rub palms together to ensure complete coverage. Spread the lather over the backs of the hands. Make sure the soap gets in between the fingers. Grip the fingers on each hand. Pay particular attention to the thumbs. Press fingertips into the palm of each hand. Then wash your hand thoroughly. Dry it using a clean towel. These are the 6 simple steps of washing your hands. Dear friends, don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds and don't forget to wash your hands before every meal. After returning home from outside, wash your hands and clothes and iron your clothes on both sides so that maximum germs are killed by the heat of the iron. Keep your home clean and wear mask once you are outside home. मास्क को ऐसे पहनना चाहिए. अगर मास्क ऐसे नीचे करके पहनेंगे तो मास्क पहनने का कोई फायदा नहीं रहेगा. अच्छे से प्रिवेंशन नहीं लेंगे फिर ये सब कहेंगे तो कोरोना बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगा.
कोरोना गो, कोरोना गो, गो कोरोना, गो कोरोना, कोरोना गो, कोरोना गो, कोरोना गो, कोरोना गो, कोरोना गो, कोरोना गो, गो कोरोना, गो कोरोना.
Don't touch your face frequently, do exercise daily and you have to take all preventive measures to improve your immunity like to take healthy meal and avoid junk food and outside food. All these steps are wasted if you don't stay at home, so it is very important to stay at home and avoid social gathering. If you find any symptoms within you or anybody around you, immediately report to a doctor. It doesn't mean that for small things you need to visit a doctor. Avoid visiting public health centers and hospitals. For this you should know what are the signs and symptoms of coronavirus. The symptoms are dry cough, fever, difficulty in breathing, sore throat. You must have noticed I started this video by doing namaste to all. It has an importance. Nowadays to address people like friends, relatives, etc. we should avoid shaking hands and avoid hugging each other and start saying namaste because by hugging each other and shaking hands, the chances of transmission of virus increases. So we should maintain a distance of 1 meter between us. At last, I like to say, by staying at home, we are not just helping ourselves but the entire globe. I like to thank the frontline workers like doctors, nurses, policemen, bankers for helping us at every stage to fight against this pandemic. Now, I would like to represent a slogan in front of you.
प्रकृति के हरण से हमारा मरण होगा. सुधार के देखो खुद को. प्रकृति के परिवर्तन से हमारे हर समस्या का समाधान होगा.
Be safe, stay home and we will fight against this pandemic together. Jai Hind. Thank you.